Let's check out the white. Here's the whiteness. What does that say right there? Oh, what does that bridge say right there? Oh. Ugh. Damn, dude, that tree got tore the fuck up. I'm headed to the store right now. Gotta go get a stick and something to drink, so I decided to make this video and show everybody the snow. There's the rec center, yo. Go in there and play basketball all day. Alright, well, that's all I'm going to show you for today. Bye, everybody. Enjoy the snow. Uh-oh, here come the popo right now at the intersection as we speak. Here come the popo right now. I'm not scared. He is turning down this way. Here come the popo. Here come the popo. Popo coming. Popo went. Alright, that's it. Done with everything. Later.